Today, let us discuss the Joint Entrance Main Physics Question Paper 2019. Here, the drift speed of electrons when 1.5 ampere of current flows through a copper wire of cross-sectional area 5 millimeter square is V. Drift speed is V. So, what is the value of V when the electron density is this? So, I equals to NE area into VD. This VD is the drift velocity. This VD is the drift velocity. And E is the charge of electron. E is the charge of electron. Charge of electron. A is the area. And N is the number of electron density. Number of electron density is given in this question. So the drift velocity Vd is equals to I by NEA. I is given 1.5 divided by N is given 9 into 10 to the power 28, and the charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and area is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. As this is the millimeter, so this is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. So this Vd is equals to 0.02 meter per second. So here the answer option 4 is correct. 4 is the correct answer for this question. So if you have any query, please comment in the comment box and WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367. This is 98367 93076. This is the WhatsApp number of us. Please WhatsApp us for any query. So that's all for today.